Hello everyone, welcome to Rupinder online classes and courses. This is part 2 of the video on the title Parts of Speech that I uploaded in the playlist English Grammar. Yes, I have started with a new playlist English Grammar under which we are going to discuss the topics of English grammar for all those viewers who are actually interested in strengthen their base of English language. So in the previous video we discussed what is noun, pronoun, adjective and verb, and in this video lecture I'm going to discuss what is an adverb, preposition, conjunction and an interjection, the rest of 4 parts of speech. So let's begin. Here first definition that I'm going to share with you all, that is adverb. What is an adverb? हिंदी पंजाबी में इसको हम क्रिया विशेषण कहते हैं. This is a describing word. जैसे adjective ने noun और pronoun को describe किया था, उसी तरह से adverb describe करता है एक verb को. So what is the simple definition? It is a describing word of a verb. Describing word of a verb. और अगर थोड़ा detail में बताना है, it describes the manner, degree, intensity, number, place and other aspects of a verb. कैसे? जैसे I am speaking loudly. This loudly, ly, all ly words are adverb. She sings melodiously. वो कैसे गाना गाती है? बहुत ही melodious, बहुत ही sweetly गाना गाती है. तो that will become an adverb. इसके अलावा अगर मैं कहूँ he is standing outside, वो कहाँ खड़ा है? प्लेस क्या है verb की? outside. outside is an adverb. he runs fast, उसकी रनिंग कैसी है? उसका ये एक्टिविटी रन करने वाली कैसी है? फास्ट है. सो दैट इज एन एडवर्ब. या अगर मैं कहूँ हैव यू सीन माई वीडियोज वंस, हैव यू सीन माई वीडियोज ट्वाइस, और write this essay 3 times. So once, twice, thrice or 3 times, 1 time, 4 times, all these are adverbs. So simple, it is a describing word and here are the examples. Nicely, fast, outside, twice, all these are examples. Next is preposition. So what is a preposition? जैसे हिंदी पंजाबी में हमारे words होते हैं, ये आपके लिए है. मैं लुधियाना से हूँ, वो स्कूल को जा रहे हैं, तो ये को, से, लिए, these words are very important if you have to take out a sense out of a sentence. अगर आपको उस सेंटेंस का मीनिंग समझना है या मीनिंग निकालना है या मीनिंग समझाना है, ये वर्ड्स these words play a very important role. And I know this is the most complicated topic even for the students, so I definitely am going to upload a video separately on prepositions. But for now, we only have to discuss its definition. So what is a preposition? It is a position word or a word that tells us relation between the two things. So it is a position word or it tells us the relation between two variables, two nouns, matlab person, place, thing and animals. For example, if we have this image, this is a ball and this is a box. So where is the ball? The ball is on the box. Position बता रहा है हमें. Box is under the ball. तो on, under and many such words, they are called prepositions. जैसे on, under, in, at, from, for, above, about, so many are there. So these are called prepositions. Next is conjunction. So what is a conjunction? It is a linking or a joining word. That is the simplest definition. A conjunction is a joining word. It is a linking word. A conjunction joins 2 words, 2 phrases and 2 sentences together. कैसे? Ram and Sham. So किसने connect किया दोनों को? And ने. And is a conjunction. Bread and butter. And is conjunction between the 2. What do you want? A diamond or a stone? Or is the conjunction. I know the person who stole your pen. Who here works as a conjunction. So and, or, but and all the WH family words. What, when, where, why, sare. I know where he is working. I know why he is sad. So ये सारे words 2 sentences को connect कर रहे हैं, connectors हैं, connection establish कर रहे हैं, they are linking the 2 sentences together, they are like joining them together, so they are conjunctions. Next and the last part of speech is interjection. So what is an interjection? It is a word that shows strong and sudden feelings of mind. Strong and sudden feelings of mind. Instead of saying full-fledged sentence, at times we are only left with wow, oh, alas. So such kind of expressions, they are interjections. And an interjection is always followed by mark of exclamation. So it is always followed by, and there are two versions. One is if this exclamatory mark is after a word, that word is interjection, but don't get it confused. Don't actually confuse it with an exclamatory sentence which goes, what a beautiful dress, then exclamatory mark, because that is an exclamatory sentence, and if that exclamatory mark is after a word, that word is interjection. For example, alas, he is dead. Bravo, you have won the match. Oh, is that so? So such kind of expressions. So with this, I am done with all the parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So that is all. This is the end of first topic under English grammar, that is parts of speech. I hope you like the video, and definitely I'm going to upload many such other videos which are going to be really helpful for all my viewers. Thank you for giving so much love, the overwhelming response that I'm getting. I'm really happy, and now I am realizing even my responsibility more seriously, that I have to cater to all the demands whatever you have from me. So that is all for today. If you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe it, press the bell icon. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching.